guys, just a little disclaimer, remember these videos are just for fun, so don't hate on anyone in the video, and of course all of their links will be down below in the description.
Hey y'all, today we're about to have some fun. I got my bib on. Woo! Let me, I'm getting caught on my fats. Let me move this out of the way. All right, back in business here. Okay, hopefully we can do this without a hitch. 12 lobster tails. And this Belove's Smackalicious sauce. We're gonna do our best here. Mama, help me. Okay.
So for today's video, I have cookie cake, which I have never tried cookie cake before, an M&M and pretzel cookie with a brownie in the middle, salted buttercream, and sprinkles. I think that's it. And then I have sea salt and vinegar chips as well. I'm so excited. I'm hungry. I'm gonna start eating. So here's the chicken sandwich. It has, one of them has garlic aioli on it, and then one of them has this special like chicken sauce I bought from the store.
Another day, another cheese video. Today I'm having the cheese with the king crab, of course, and I have some spaghetti here. I think the cheese and the spaghetti might be a great combo. Mm. Mm. Okay, cheese refill, and it's warm again. All right, let's see here. All right, let's continue this feast.